Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I found the definition of a dream kitchen. This is a modern Tudor, but it's totally giving Mediterranean organic vibes, and it's insane. Look at the color palette. That terracotta orange against the crisp white, it's magic. First, the scale. This room feels massive. We are talking about maybe 15 feet wide by 25 feet long, right? And the ceiling height? Wow. It has those gorgeous wood beams making a coffered effect, probably soaring up 11 feet. It just makes everything feel so expansive. And the windows, they are floor-to-ceiling, dark grid windows, bringing in all that natural light. Then there's the heart of the kitchen, this massive center island, pure white marble, probably about 4 feet by 8 feet. That is counter space heaven. But the absolute showstopper, the range hood. It's this custom sculptural piece rendered in perfect terracotta plaster, centered on that beautiful white painted brick wall. It screams elevated Mediterranean villa, but the clean white cabinets keep it totally modern. You know how sometimes design is either too sterile and modern or too stuffy and traditional? This design solves that drama. It brings the warmth of those 12-inch terracotta floor tiles, but pairs them with clean lines and luxury finishes. It's balanced, it's dramatic, it's honestly a game changer. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?